Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is ready and signed in. Open Settings or the Books app and verify your account. This ensures purchases link to you. Next, add a payment method, card, Apple Pay, or redeem a gift card, because Apple requires payment on file. Once done, confirm your billing address and enable two-factor authentication for security. These steps let you proceed without interruptions and prevent payment or regional restrictions from blocking a purchase. You now find the book. Open Apple Books and use search with the title, author, or ISBN for the fastest match. Preview the free sample to check formatting, font, and whether narration is included. This reduces buyer's remorse. Once you locate the correct edition, compare the price and any available narration or bundles. Sometimes a complete edition costs slightly more but includes audiobook access. Make sure the listing shows compatibility with your devices, because editions can vary across regions and file types. You complete the purchase by tapping buy and confirming with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Apple charges your default payment method. The book downloads to your library. Tap it to read or download for offline access. If sync across devices is needed, enable iCloud for books. If the purchase fails, check your payment details, ensure your Apple ID region matches the store, and restart the device. Those steps resolve most errors. If still blocked, sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh entitlement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.